Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to tap on this, let's say, file icon in the left upper corner. Scroll and go to settings. Of course you can tap on languages, but I prefer the settings, so let's tap on it and go to languages. So here we've got the list of all pre-installed languages from which we can choose, and at the top we've got those which we've previously applied to the keyboard. In my case I've got 4 different languages. So basically just scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on this plus icon and your device will immediately add it to the top of the list, and it is also immediately marked, which means it is applied. Let me show you how to change the languages in the keyboard. All you have to do is to use the spacebar and swipe on it to change the layout. So this is how it works. And if you'd like to turn off the keyboard, just go to the settings again, tap on the languages and simply untick the option which you don't want to use. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied, we cannot swipe. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.